Hello my dear friends, in today's video I will ask my assistant Paulina, who is right here, hello Paulina, to show you a very cute craft which is called my new camera. Okay Paulina, hello, how are you doing today?
Good.
Can you show me your craft please? Very cute. What is that?
This is my new camera.
Okay, can you show me the images?
Here is the boy or girl, how they want.
The what?
Boy or girl can sit in the boat. And this is the ocean and sun and clouds.
Okay.
And you can move it like that. This is a girl. If you want, you can do long hair or short hair. Here is a flower, and to the girl, or you can make it in this paper. Everything what you want to draw. I draw here the girl and to the flower, sun, and cloud. And here is the
astronaut.
The astronaut and the rocket. And here the astronaut is on the moon. And you can draw where rocket, you can draw here, or where a boat, or where a girl.
You can move them, yeah? You can change.
You can move them like that.
Okay, can I take this out for a second?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this is the piece of paper with 3 different slides which you can move in the photo camera. Okay, can you please explain how do you make that? How to make that?
You need a piece of carton.
Okay.
And then you need liner. And you need scissors. And you need have maybe any pencils what you want. Here I have the blue, like I have here liner. This is liner. And liner. This is 2 liner. And when I draw, you can have pencils and liners and everything what you want. And you need to draw here like
flashlight.
Flashlight.
And different buttons of the camera.
Different buttons.
And you also need to cut 2 lines over here so that you can put the slides inside when you are ready to put them inside, so that you could move them. Right?
Yeah.
Wow, this film looks really cute because it really looks like the real film. I love it. Beautiful.
And you see here it is like 1 line like that, and 1 line here. You can make this lines bigger, but here you don't need to line up. You just need to line like that.
Okay. Why is that so?
I don't know, I just saw this on Pinterest.
Okay, so you got your inspiration from Pinterest.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really cute. Can you put it back for me, please? Okay, guys.
How you need to put this in?
So you need to cut 2 lines
and put it back. Put it and put in this line like that.
Okay. And now you have the film inside of your camera.
And then
Polaroid.
Then you can do it like that.
That's really cute.
You can draw here any picture.
Okay, that's the most important part. You can draw any picture.
And I drew in here like this. And oh look, I have one photo on my carton camera. And
in fact, you have more.
Yeah.
That's really cute. Thank you so much for sharing, and we hope to see your photos of your cameras in our chat. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.